Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
We all know that water is essential to our daily lives. It helps us to feel good, look good, and helps our body to function properly. Research has shown that water helps to rid your body of toxins, keeps you healthy, and keeps you looking young. It is recommended that you start your day with a fresh glass of water each morning. Doctors recommend consuming a glass of warm water in the morning for best results. It is up to you if you choose to add some lemon juice for a better taste. Today, we will discuss the top 10 health benefits of consuming warm water. 1. Relieves constipation. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach on a regular and consistent basis can help to regulate your bowel movements and relieve constipation. Warm water helps your digestive system to work properly. It helps to break down food and makes your bowel movements smooth and pain-free. It can also help to reduce any swelling in your stomach as well as any pain and discomfort. In order to relieve constipation, consume a glass of hot or warm water each morning on an empty stomach. You can also add honey or lemon juice prior to consuming it. 2. Improves digestion. As we previously discussed, warm water helps your body's digestive system. Warm water stimulates your digestive gland to begin working. It will help your body to break down the food in your stomach and relieve some of the work that your digestive system must do, in that it uses less energy to break down the food. Also, as your body gets rid of the harmful stomach acids, it neutralizes your digestive juices in your gut. 3. Treats nasal congestion. Warm water can even help to treat nasal congestion. When you consume warm water, it breaks up the mucus in your nasal cavities and in your respiratory tract. Because this is not sitting in your nose, it lowers the chance that a virus or a bacterium will begin to grow in your nasal cavity. The water will also help your body to get rid of harmful toxins and speed up healing. 4. Soothes sore throat. Sore throats are a common issue experienced by many people that suffer from a cold, flu, or allergies. Yet warm water can help soothe your sore throat and relieve any discomfort. The warm water will also help to break down the thick mucus and make it leave your respiratory tract. Along with warm water, consuming warm liquids such as herbal teas will help this. You can also gargle a mixture of half a teaspoon of salt with warm water to heal your sore throat and a throat infection. 5. Detoxifies your body. As we discussed earlier, warm water can help to clean your body of any harmful toxins. When you consume a few glasses of warm water, it raises your body temperature. As a result, your body begins to sweat in order to cool down. The toxins will leave your body through your sweat. Consuming warm water on a regular basis will clean your skin of harmful toxins and leave your skin healthy and smooth. This holds true for the rest of your body. We recommend adding a bit of lemon juice to a warm glass of water for best results. 6. Sheds excess pounds. Many health and fitness professionals will recommend that you consume water on a regular basis to lose weight. However, consuming warm water instead of cold water will accelerate this process. The warm water will increase your body temperature and increase your metabolism. As you likely know, when your metabolism is increased, you will burn more calories at a quicker rate. The warm water will even break down the fat deposits within your body. Adding lemon juice in your warm water each morning will provide you with an added benefit, as well as break down your body fat. Also, the pectin in the lemon juice will control any food cravings to help you make better food choices. 7. Improves blood circulation. Water helps to improve the circulation of your blood, which helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and organs in your body more efficiently. Proper circulation is essential for your muscles and your nerves. Consuming warm water will melt fat deposits within your body and break down fat deposits in your nervous system. 8. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Warm water can even help to prevent uncomfortable menstrual cramps. The water relaxes the muscles within your uterus and provides you with relief. The water will also keep your body from retaining water and relieve any uncomfortable bloating that you may experience. Along with this, you can also place a hot water bottle on the lower section of your abdomen for further relief. 9. Induces sleep. Warm water can also help you sleep more peacefully and soundly. Since the warm water raises your body temperature, you feel more relaxed and sleepy. The warm water also fills your stomach so that you do not experience late-night food cravings. It will instead leave you feeling well rested in the morning. Always drink warm water, as drinking
Thanks
hot
for
water
watching.
can damage the tissues
Don't
in your
forget
mouth
to
and
like,
esophagus.
share, and subscribe to our channel.
10. Slows down aging.